is nothing that hurts my soul more than broken makeup. Ugh, it just makes me so angry and sad thinking about it. But the good news is there is a way to save it. FIXY is a repair kit meant to fix broken powder makeup and make them brand new. Let's put it to the test. FIXY comes packaged like this, and it has everything that you need to fix broken makeup. It has this pressing tool, a grinder, a screen where you could put the products through. It also comes with empty little pans so that you could put broken makeup into new pans and make a new palette. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try it out on some of my favorite makeup products. My first victim is Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. I love this so much. It's gonna be really painful to break it, but I need to see if it really works. Oh, I can't do it. Okay, all right. Oh my god. Oh, this is so bad. It's so depressing. I now have broken makeup and a broken heart, and I am going to try and fix it all back up again. And the first thing I'm doing is putting them into this holder where everything will fall, and I'm going to grind them down in a powder through this screen. It's already pretty bad, but okay. That's what it looks like, and then I'm going to grind it down like this. It's pretty fun. Now I have this little contraption, which I'm going to put an empty pan in where it fits, and I'm going to pour the bronzer. Oh! Ideally, it would have been a little bit neater than that, but it's okay. I'm getting my hands dirty. Let me just lead it in here like this. Yeah. Next, I'm going to use the bonding solution, and it's made of isopropyl alcohol, partially, and I'm going to spray 2 to 3 sprays for a medium-sized pan. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, I'm going to use this little device to press down and put some elbow grease in there and see if it really works. Okay. You're supposed to press down for 10 seconds, I think. Oh! It's like brand new! That's so crazy how fast that was! The kit also comes with a magnetic palette so that you could prop it in there like this. And voila! You have your Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer back to life. And you can bronze your face to your heart's desire once again. It works! No, this is great. I'm gonna do the other ones just because, like, how can you not? Putting it in the grinder. Okay, that's empty. I'm taking this little tool and down, and it's a very fine powder now. Definitely would not be able to use it the way it is. For 10 seconds. Now let's see. Ooh. Isn't it crazy how easy it was to fix this broken makeup? And look, it still works completely fine. And it has a new home. My last victim of broken makeup is MAC eyeshadow. Okay. I'm really trying to make sure I get all the product in. This is the most satisfying, exciting part. Voila! Brand new eyeshadow. Good as new. Right with the other ones. And no longer making me cry because they were broken. Final thoughts on FIXY. I am incredibly impressed at this product. Not only does it look really cute and is compact and has everything you need, I just love how easy it was to use. It took me mere seconds to fix broken makeup. I will say that it gets very messy, as you would expect with powder makeup, but hopefully you don't break your makeup that often, and when you need it the most, FIXY is going to be the savior. And as you can see, my makeup is back to life, ready to use, and I couldn't be happier. I think that every single person who loves makeup definitely needs this in their kit, but if you guys have any suggestions for DIY fixes for broken makeup, please comment below.